Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dress. Look. Yeah, one princess line here until here and cape. Let's start now. So let's start now. You can see how it looks like. Princess line until here, front and back. You can use your zip if you want side, 2 darts. Okay, look how it look like. Half of sleeve, start with half of sleeve. Okay, so you need your basic blocks, front and back. This is I made with this dress. I made this dress with non-stretch fabric. So your basic blocks, front and back. You make front piece, pin it. This is center fold line, you can see. Take your back piece, I leave 1.5 or 1 inch distance here and pin it. Your necklines must be together. Okay, I'm going to pin it. Okay, you can see now. I'm going to draw neckline. So from this shoulder point you mark 3 inches down, and from these 2 shoulder points you mark middle and draw a line. Okay. Sleeve length you can take how long you want. I took my sleeve length, I took until my wrist. Okay, but you can take however you want. So now I'm going to mark desired length from shoulder point. I took 20 inches. From here. Now you go 20 inches all around. Okay. From here, from this 3 inches what we mark, make a line. Also you mark 20 inches. If you want to make your neckline little bit wider, make it now. I mark 1 inch wide and 4 inch down, 4 inch deep. This is my new neckline. Also back side 1 inch deeper. You can see it. Okay, this is my new neckline. Now I mark all around. This is shoulder line. This is sleeve line, front. Now you take out. Before you take out, this is your new neckline, and this is back center. Okay, now you take these two out. This is your sleeve. Look, this is shoulder, this is front sleeve, this is back neck. Now I'm going to cut this. Now I'm going to cut through this line. This is your cape piece. Now I'm going to mark 2 inches and draw a princess line like this. Okay, you cut. You cut through this line and you close this dart. You close your side dart. Okay. This is your new neckline. I leave ½ inch. Look, when you are going to cut with fabric, do not forget to give ½ inch for sewing allowance. You sew until here. Okay, and this is your cape. So you can see now, this is your back side, this is your front, and this is your cape. I'm going to show you how to sew this. You cut this corner like this, okay, and this is the point, this, and right side together. Okay, you sew on wrong side. First you come until here and turn it. Turn it and you sew shoulder. Okay. When you turn it, you can see you must sew nicely. This is a paper, it's a difficult to show you like this. And you take back side, you have to sew like a sandwich. This is middle here, and you sew shoulders and turn it. Look. How you look like. This is how you look like. Yeah, I'll show you. This is my dress. You can see. Look. Also, I make lining. You cannot see anything. Look. This is princess line until here. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. If you are satisfied, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya. Thank you for watching.